Okay, so the inner safety lever, driver's side, in the door well, no, and there are two buttons there. Can you see that? Fuel cap, and on the left the bonnet. You should hear a big clunk. So pull the inner lever, and now you can see there's a gap here for your fingers. Now just above the badge, just slightly off to the right from the badge. In fact, if you look through the gap, you can see there's a bit of a hollow there, and the levers, my fingers are on either side of the lever. It's in a little hollow there. The lever's attached to the car, not to the bonnet or hood itself. And then I push it off to the left and lift at the same time. Okay, there's a mini strut there, which fits it just into there. This is a mini strut. So there, let's go back and look at the lever. Here it is there. That's what your fingers are here when the bonnet's partially closed, and you're trying to do that. You're trying to do that. That's the mechanism. Okay, so you do all your jobs, check water, oil, etc., etc. And then when you're finished, you check you put all the caps back, you've left no tools lying around. Remove the strut, park the strut, and then the official way to close these is rather brutal. It seems to drop them from about a foot, 30 centimeters. And you heard there's a good solid clang there. I can't shift that, can I? Okay.